Hello and welcome to another MCO market update on HBAR. So the HBAR chart is still in this channel to the downside. You know that one already. We talked about it in recent videos. We've been talking about it actually for a few weeks now. This price channel, this so-called wedge pattern. And yeah, I'm still considering that the market could have formed a low here on the 7th of April. But the movement to the upside is less promising than, for example, on the Bitcoin chart. It is only a three-wave move up so far, so it's corrective in nature. It looks a little bit like what we had here as a three-wave move up. That was the rally in March, early March, from the February low. It basically ended up as a sideways price structure, a three-wave move up, which moved a bit up. Yeah, overall it moved up a little bit, but remained rather a so-called sideways corrective structure. It's a three-wave move up. This here looks a bit different, but is still similar given that it's only a three-wave move up. So it really depends now on whether the bulls can defend a support area that I have added here on the smaller time frame. We're going to take a look at that in a minute. Bottom line is, we might go a little higher, but with only a three-wave move up, it's difficult. It's not a great setup, and we have to take it level by level. So it is still possible a fourth wave bottomed, but I don't really see the five-wave pattern to the upside yet that we would need to confirm a low. But we remain open to different possibilities. I think it's important to stay flexible here when it comes to the HBAR chart. I will show you in a minute what the relevant support area is that now needs to hold on the smaller time frame. On the daily chart here, it still is the area between 9.8 cents and 12.8 cents that needs to hold to keep a bullish scenario alive. But obviously, when we then consider that we might have already bottomed, okay, what is the area on the smaller time frame? It's important to understand that if we rally from here, it could simply be a larger B wave in a large A, B, C structure. So that's going to be the risk that's going to be with us for quite some time. Let's go to the smaller time frame on the HBAR chart. And here, I think it is quite clear that we are still caught in a correction. This is the support area I mentioned. It's between 13.8 cents and 16.8 cents. The market has already reacted to the 38.2 retracement. The move down is in three waves, so it is a clear corrective pullback. That does keep the door open for higher, but the question is this a B wave pullback in the white scenario? Or is it maybe an internal fourth wave correction in a diagonal pattern? So that could even give us a five wave move up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But for a five wave move, the bulls really need to turn up very, very soon. The invalidation point for the diagonal pattern is the swing low from the wave 2 here, 9th of April low, formed at 14.2 cents. That's the formal invalidation point, but I can tell you that really the wave 4 should not go much lower than where we are already now. Normally it's the 61.8 retracement as last relevant support. So it's the 16.3 cent level. So what's the difference? There is a clear difference between where probabilities shift and what an invalidation point is. So wave 4 ideally holds here. So just want to communicate, this is the support area for wave 4. Yeah, it ends there. So in the blue scenario, the price should not break below. Let me adjust that slightly here. Let me just adjust that slightly. So yeah, the wave 4 in blue should not break below 16.3 cents. It's very simple. Below that level, it becomes more and more clear that it's the white scenario, and the B wave has room all the way down to 13.8 cents. Either way, there is currently no confirmed low, and it takes a break above 19.2 cents to indicate a low has formed, and we're moving up in the next fifth wave to the upside, or maybe the C wave. It depends on where we find the low. We should get some clarity over the next few sessions. That's the update on HBAR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye bye.